hands round my neck.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Excuse this is a stain. So today we are in the kitchen, honey. So today we are doing a cooking video. I wanted to make gallo de pollo, so let's get into the kitchen. Over here. Let's go ahead and get this video started. I'm not a professional chef, just a disclaimer because I'm not a professional chef and I'm not a professional chef. I usually would just make it in one pot, but I don't have a big enough pot, so that's why I'm making it into 2 pots. So it's already hot because I had it on the stove and I was had the heat up. So I wanted to get it warming up before I did this. I don't know, I'm kind of a mess today, but it's fine. So I'm just doing hot water just so it's easier, like it heats up faster. You can do cold water, but I like to do hot water. It's whatever you prefer. Just gonna go ahead and wash this chicken off. I had it thaw overnight, so I'm just gonna wash it off and then throw it into the pot. I have music playing in the background, but the girls just not trying to get copyrighted. That's the thing. Probably should have just taken guys over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw in some Himalayan pink salt. I like this better than the regular salt. So next you're gonna throw in some noir, gallo de pollo. I mean, I'm really just going on with this, like with the top of my head, like how much I think would be good in here. So I'm just gonna throw in however much I like. I'll probably just put like 2
shots of vodka.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw in the chicken and then I'll let this cook on its own. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let this boil just so that it starts cooking. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some water in here. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in hot water. And then I'm first gonna throw in the corn because the corn is kind of frozen. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in here and then like carrots, zucchini, and all that stuff. And ring light is like, I'm just scared it's gonna fall, but I'm speaking into existence and it's not gonna fall. I'm just gonna rinse these off just so that they're clean. So I'm gonna cut up some celery. So I can't find the cutting board, but it's fine because I can just go ahead and cut on the surface. And if I'm not cutting the right way, don't judge me. I totally forgot about potatoes. So potato is like my favorite part. I just really like potatoes, you know, potatoes like french fries and all that. Forgot, I should have done that in with the corn. I'm just using 2 potatoes for right now. So I'm just gonna cut this into like, let's say like little chunks, I guess. They're not cut perfectly, I know. It's not perfect, I'm not a chef. Or am I trying to be? They're cut so weird, I know, sorry. I'm gonna throw these in the pot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use 1 squash. I'm also gonna go ahead and throw in baby carrots. So I'm also gonna make some rice with this. I have white rice right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it off just because you know, wash off your rice because it's dirty. But before I actually throw in the rice, I like to cut up some garlic. This is what this pot is looking like right now. Here's the chicken. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on some oil. First, I'm gonna go ahead and take this and just go ahead and throw that on there. So here's the thing for the rice. I honestly burned the garlic. Oh, burned on my hand. Throw in the rice. So I'm just gonna wait till that's done, but I'm starving, so I'm just gonna do some Ritz. Then we're gonna use Nora again for the rice. So I'm gonna put like B1. Should be fine. 1.5, just because I like put it in there. Mix it around a little bit. So let's just cover that. This whole cooking and filming thing is honestly a lot harder than it looks. Especially when you're by yourself. Like, it's so hard when you're by yourself because you don't have like 5 hands. This is what we're working with. I'm just gonna wait for it to cool off. This is our finished product. It tastes good. It's really hot. Oh, chicken's really good. Wow, I didn't do too bad. I honestly thought it was gonna be really bad. Dude, it's so good. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I really enjoyed doing this video. It's something different. I haven't done a cooking video ever. Yeah, I wish you guys could like really try this through the, you know, through the camera. Can you guys?
Hello, Bryana's people. Took me a 2-hour drive.
I know.
And you know, I had to come taste your girl's chicken soup. I'm sick too, so it's the perfect timing. So you did the elote and everything? Oh my god.
Ready? I'm scared. It's good? Oh! Buster bitter over there. Where's he at? Oh, there he is.